Welcome guys to a new video. Today I'm going to be installing a bumper on the E36. It's an M3 style bumper. Obviously it's fake and there's a big ass sub in the trunk I need to get rid of because I do not want that shit. To install this bumper, I'm going to be removing these little 10mm screws and I'm going to be throwing them on the bumper right there in that little slot. I'm going to do that to both sides. It doesn't even hold, it just slides all the way. Maybe there. I'm gonna line it up with the back. Now let's go do the other side. So before I was even recording this video, I was trying to do a suspension video on this car. Because if you guys didn't know, I drove like 3 hours ago, picked this thing up. And it drove like complete shit. I thought it was the tie rods and stuff, but it turns out it's none of that. It's actually just a coilover it has. I don't know if I'm gonna be replacing those or just trying to fix them. So stay tuned for that video. I think I should have added those brackets after. I'm gonna just take them off. Damn, it doesn't reach. What the fuck? Oh, there you go. Oh, fucking hell, it just popped out of the other side. We got a bumper, guys. Not the best fitment, but yeah, it's short on this side. This side is like perfect though. But who really gives a fuck? This ain't no fucking clean E36. This is a shit box. Done with that. My camera's about to die. I have to go shower. I smell like monkey balls and I work tomorrow, so catch you guys on another day. Peace. All right, so this is the big ass sub that's in the trunk of the E36. I don't know what size, I think 12s or 10s. There's two of them in this big ass box. This is the amp. So let's go ahead and get started on removing these. Got this amp out. Look at all the subs I got, bro. Two 15s. I think these are 10s. They look really small compared to this being a 15. So I think that's a 10. Two 10s. Now let's see how bad underneath the trunk is. What if there's hella rust? I hope not. Honestly, not too bad. Let's see what we got in this bag. Got some White Claws and some vodka bottles. What the fuck? This dude was only 18. And they used way too long of a fucking cord, bro. There's no way they needed this much cord if the sub was in the back. So it's been a while. I failed to put on the bumper. It literally fell off. I'm gonna buy some hardware. Something I really need to fix so I could actually drive the car is the taillights. They went out. It's only the brake switch, hopefully. I do have a new one. Got a little helper. Say hello, Scooby. AK Kim Kardashian with this little sweater. This is the part right here. Under all this freaking mess. This is the switch right here. All we gotta do is unplug it and just take it out from the back, which is really hard. I have to get a flathead screwdriver and go actually under the car. So I'm gonna just record when I'm actually done taking it out and I'll just throw it in. And hopefully, fingers crossed, the taillights work. All right, got it off. And this is the new replacement. Got it off Amazon for around $10. Swapped it out. This one's a bit dim. My dumbass was connecting the wrong connector to the switch. There's a bunch of random wires. I don't know what this one is for, but I was connecting this one to the switch, which is right here. And I was like, hold up. This only has 2 wires, 2 pins. This has 4. So I started to look underneath all these cables, and I didn't realize that I took this off and hung it up there somewhere. Look at this. What are you doing, Scooby? Alright, y'all, I'm about to show you guys a car. But there's something I gotta say. The app I use to edit my YouTube videos is banned. TikTok got banned today. I didn't know CapCut was associated with it, but it is. I gotta see where I'm gonna be editing my videos now. But yeah, this is a car. What do you guys think? Looks like a shit box, but honestly looks really good on how low it sits. So enough talking. Like, comment, and subscribe. Obviously I'm missing the fog lights, but I'm not gonna be adding any. I do have some covers from my old E36 I'll probably throw on, but what do y'all think? All I need to do is get some new corner lights, which I was gonna try to do today, but they were not the right ones. So I'll probably push that to another video and fix the power steering. But yeah, M3 style bumper. It looks really good on this. So I'll see y'all later.